Knowles Bridewell Brooks Jiggerton, and then the extraordinary surviving Ellison in 6th place ahead of John Kirkham, although now of course somewhat detached from this group of 5.
Yeah, we're going to see it again, look, back, the rear bike, look at that, it's gone, it grips again, he's off one side, and at that point you'd be thinking, you know what, I'll let go. But and that's Javier Belton, the Samsung team manager, look. What